Hi guys, in this lesson I want to tell you about PDMS user interfaces. Let me run PDMS. Okay, as you see, when you run the PDMS, first up you will face with Aveva PDMS login window. From this window, you must select project, username, password, multiple database, and module. The first thing that you must select is a project. From the project menu, as you see, you have access to all the projects that have set on the PDMS on your system. For example, on my computer, I have the project HEN, Imperial, Master, and Sample. I will select the sample. When you select the project, all the users of the project are appear in username window for you to select. For example, in the project sample, you have users Cable, Cats, Demo, Equi, Hanger, and so on. For example, I will select the sample. Just take care that free users are not appear in username menu. I mean that, for example, as you see, you can't see the username system. That's the free users of sample project in this window. Okay. At next step, you must enter the password for the username. The password for sample user is sample with caps lock set to 1. Okay. At next step, you must select the multiple database. In the MDB menu, yes, you can see all the multiple databases that the username sample have access to them. I will select the username sample, and finally you can select the module. I want to set the module to design. Also, when you enter password for a username, you can change that password. As you see, from change password window, you must enter the current password, new password, and confirm new password for changing your password. Okay, I don't want to change my password, so I will select the cancel. And okay. Okay, now the PDMS software runs. As you see, at top side of the graphical view, you have the main toolbar and secondary toolbar. Also, at top side left, you can see the main prompt area. From the main prompt area and secondary prompt area, the software gives you some prompt message. I will show you in our next lessons. At left side, you have the view control buttons and design explorer. Also, at bottom side left, you can see the status area. Some of the PDMS activities on graphical view are done just by mouse clicks. For example, with left click of mouse, you can select a particular item. As you see, I will select the Zune Steel, and with left click on this icon, I will add it to graphical view. Okay, as you see, the steel zone added to our graphical view. What about the middlemost button? With this button, if you click to each location in the graphical view, that location will move to the middle point of the view. Also, with middlemost button, you can rotate the model. Click, hold it, and moves the mouse to the left and right. As you see, I can rotate the model with middlemost button. If you right click in a graphical view, as you see, a pop-up menu will open for you, and you can select different actions from this pop-up menu. So totally in a review, the leftmost button is used for selecting items, the middlemost button is used for rotating the model, and the rightmost button is used for having access to pop-up menus. Okay guys, in the next lesson I will tell you more about PDMS particular menus.